Alright, this is the adjectives. This is lesson 3 of Spanish for beginners. Alright, when using adjectives, please remember the order. Nouns are always going to come first in Spanish. This is different from English, where we'll have like tall girl. Instead of saying tall girl, in Spanish we're going to say la chica alta. Again, the adjective is going to come after the subject. When a noun or a subject is plural, the adjective is also going to be plural in Spanish. So whereas we have big cups, in Spanish it would be vasos grandes. See how the adjective is also plural here? And in Spanish there are masculine and feminine words, as we already figured out with our colors. So the adjectives always have to change with their respective word. If a word is masculine, the adjective will be masculine, and if a word is feminine, the adjective will be feminine. Again, just like everything in grammar, there will be exceptions, but generally, as you can see here, ombligo, feo. Feo is masculine. If we had a feminine word like ropa fea, for ugly clothes, the adjective has to follow the masculine or feminine root word. So a couple of common Spanish adjectives are bonito. And again, remember, all of these change depending on whether they're feminine or masculine. So bonita or bonito means pretty. Alto means tall. Bajo means short. Feo means ugly. Flaco means skinny. Gordo means fat. Rubio means blonde. Moreno means brunette. Guapo means handsome. Cómico means funny. Perezoso means lazy. Serio means serious. Ambicioso is ambitious. Americano or estadounidense is referring to someone who is from the United States. Fantástico means fantastic. Tímido means shy or timid. And bueno, as you probably know, means good. Fácil means easy. Honesto means honest. Generoso means generous. Inteligente means intelligent. And aburrido means boring. Difícil means difficult. Interesante means interesting. Obligatorio means obligatory. Popular means popular. Chileno is for Chilean. Colombiano is for Colombian. Cubano is for Cuban. Mexicano is for Mexican. Puerto Riqueño is for Puerto Rican. Venezolano is for Venezuelan. Tonto means dumb. Ordenado means organized or neat. Viejo means old. Joven means young. Celoso means jealous. Cansado means tired. Enojado is angry. Enfermo means sick. Feliz means happy. Triste means sad. Divertido means fun. Caliente means hot. Frío means cold. And that's all the adjectives I have for you today. Remember how the order goes. Remember for plural words that the adjective is also plural. And remember to change the words for masculine and feminine.